How to put two different clocks in Android home screen. Long press on any empty area of your home screen. Tap on the option Widgets. Now you can access the widget settings over here. Scroll down. Find the option for clock. Tap on it. You can see various clocks that you can add to the home screen. Long press on the clock that you want to add. Now drag it to the home screen. Now select a clock face. Tap on the clock face of your choice. Now the widget will be added. Again, long press on the empty area. Tap on the option Widgets. Scroll down. Tap on the option Clock. Find a different clock to add. Long press on it. Now place it on the home screen. Now choose the clock style. After you do that, this will also be added. Now you can see over here multiple clocks has been added to the home screen. Like this, you'll be able to add different clocks to your home screen. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.